What if I told you that you could achieve 48% more value than your counterpart in your next negotiation? Our research with 120 experienced negotiators proves this isn't just possible, it's happening right now through the strategic use of large language models in negotiations. I'm Yadvinder, Rana, professor of cross-cultural negotiation and researcher focused on how large language models transform business negotiations. I deliver LLM-enhanced negotiation courses within CABL, Conti Advanced Business Learning, founded by Giuseppe Conti, where we help negotiators achieve better and more efficient outcomes with large language models. Our research reveals three crucial findings. First, negotiators using large language model support achieve 48% more value as buyers and 41% more value as sellers compared to their counterparts not using large language models. Second, when both parties use large language models, joint gains increase by 84% while maintaining remarkable fairness with only a 2% difference in gains between the parties. Third, and most surprisingly, these higher joint gains occur even with decreased information sharing between the parties. This challenges traditional negotiation theory by showing we can create and achieve significant value even in low trust settings. One crucial finding stands out. Expertise alone is no longer enough. Even seasoned negotiators achieved significantly better outcomes when combining their expertise with large language model capabilities. Here is what this means for you. Success in modern negotiation requires both deep negotiation expertise and large language model proficiency. To learn more about mastering LLM-enhanced negotiation, subscribe to CABL's YouTube channel or visit our website. Thank you.